Let's talk about the recently launched Motorola smartphone Moto G45 with ultra-premium design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.5 inches HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, approximately 85% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio. Approximately 269 ppi pixel density, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone, the smartphone with dual camera setup. On the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.8, along with 2 megapixel macro camera with aperture 2.4, for selfies it has 16 megapixel punch hole cutout front camera with aperture 2.4, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of MyUX screen on top the device, up to 1 year of OS upgrades and 3 years of security updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.3 GHz dual-core Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 6S Gen 3, 6nm chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB, 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 4 GB, 8 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB hybrid micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.7 by 74.64 by 8.03 mm, and it weighs around 183 grams, and the color options, Viva Magenta, Brilliant Green, Brilliant Blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 20-watt turbo power fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm audio jack, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, IP52 water-repellent design support, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Motorola Moto G45 has been priced for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 12,999 Indian rupees, while the 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 13,499 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Motorola Moto G45 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.